Andrew here with Burnett's Custom Woodwork. I posted a picture with my Kreg Jig on some Facebook posts on just some random stuff, comment and whatnot. And there were a couple people that showed interest in it, so I figured I'd make a quick little video on what I'd done with mine and how I had it set up. Alright, here is my Kreg Jig setup. I used to have an older rigger, the box that Kreg gives you the plans for. It was great when I didn't have a shop. It was too big and bulky for in the shop, moving around all the time. This is one of the older K4 models. Eventually I'd like to have one of the K5s with a clamp in the front, but this works for now. Pretty simple design. It's 3/4 inch, some cheap plywood, nothing fancy. The outfeet, or the, I guess you call them the arms here, are pieces of my old Kreg router tabletop. So they have that slick micro dot finish on top. I had a problem with my router table. It had swelled up and got uneven. Kreg sent me a new one. So I had these pieces, the whole top, and I was able to cut it up and make some pieces. Had to plane them down just a little bit so they were flush, but they make good non-slip surfaces for this. Got some more handholds. These also double as the hangers. I will post a picture on how I store it when I'm hanging, but it's lightweight. I come over here, I throw it down when I need it, and I just clamp it down like that. So if you don't have that clamp, you can always just put it on the edge of the table and clamp here, or you can put 2 clamps here and here if you need to. So figured I'd give a little bit more in depth on how that was done. Alright, now that y'all have seen the jig itself and the little station that it's on and how it's hung up, I know a lot of people have a love-hate relationship with pocket holes. When I first got into woodworking, that was how I got into it. Everything I did incorporated pocket holes, and my Kreg Jig was at the center of every project I had. Now that I've progressed over the last 8 years, it's very seldom that it actually gets pulled out, but it is still a handy tool. I don't care what anybody says. When you need a pocket hole, it'll do the job. So thank y'all for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and see you next time.